Have you ever wondered how biases shape our understanding of psychology? Biases in psychology can influence research, leading to misinterpretations. Today, we'll explore gender bias and cultural bias in the field. First, let's look at gender bias. This refers to systematic differences in how we analyze behaviors based on gender. There are key areas to consider: universality and bias, alpha bias, beta bias, and androcentrism. Alpha bias emphasizes differences. It often exaggerates male and female characteristics. For example, it suggests women are naturally more nurturing. This can marginalize individual differences. Next, we have beta bias. This occurs when researchers ignore gender differences. They assume findings about one gender apply to all. This oversimplifies human behavior and can lead to flawed conclusions. Androcentrism is the practice of centering male experiences. It places men as the standard. Research may overlook female perspectives, leading to an incomplete understanding. Now, let's evaluate these biases. Alpha bias can perpetuate stereotypes. Beta bias risks oversimplification. Androcentrism can result in faulty theories. Each bias can distort our understanding of behavior. Shifting focus, let's discuss cultural bias. It is the tendency to interpret behaviors through one's cultural lens. Key concepts include ethnocentrism, weird samples, and cultural relativism. Ethnocentrism is viewing one's culture as superior. This can lead to misunderstanding other cultures. For example, Western views may misinterpret Eastern practices. Weird samples represent a bias in research. They refer to studies primarily using Western, educated, industrialized, rich, and democratic populations. This limits the generalizability of findings to other cultures. Cultural relativism argues that behaviors should be understood within their cultural context. This can promote understanding but may overlook universal behaviors. When evaluating cultural bias, consider its impact. Ethnocentrism can lead to cultural misunderstandings. Weird samples can mask diversity. Cultural relativism may promote empathy but could ignore necessary criticisms. In summary, biases in psychology affect our understanding. Gender biases like alpha bias and androcentrism distort perspectives. Cultural biases like ethnocentrism limit generalizability. Click like if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe.